Yeah, I see you, baby. She sounds vicious, boy. Go ahead, brother. You're working hard out here. You're working hard out here. Let you go. Let you go. All right, guys. I see you looking, brother. I got you. She was getting a little nervous there. No run. Just talking to the baby. What's up, little guy? That was baby talk right there. Oh, look at the little kids. Little guys. That's the thumbnail right there. That's the thumbnail right there. My man peeking back at the cheeks. Oh, he peeking back at the cheeks. Mr. Cheeks. What's he creeping through on? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. I see you. See you out here, brother. That's for you in the car right there. Alright. My man. He got it too. Alright. Damn, can I turn? Get up out of here, man. Ferrari, baby. A 488 out here. Hopefully it was a 488. All the car guys gonna eat me up. Go ahead, baby. Let you pass. All the car guys I know gonna eat me up for that. OG, keeping. Peekaboo. I see you, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know how I feel. The baddies are out. Hello. Good people. Alright, my boys. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Alright, alright. Go ahead, girl. girl like, what's up, girl? Gotta come to me. You wanna come with me? Magnificent city. Better call home. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at the scenery right there. Look at that beautiful view. Spectacular. Man. Beautiful city, man. Hit this curve right here, nice and good for you. Alright, 28. 28 and 33. Gotta work on that left just a little. But man, I tell you, look at that view. Look at it. Just look at it. Isn't it magnificent? And if you go up there, there's a restaurant and a bar up there. I've been up there a few times. It spins. It spins on its own. Very slow, so you get a 360 of everywhere. What's up, little buddy? I see you. What the fuck he come from? What the fuck is he doing? Just ran up out of nowhere on me. Damn it, man. One thing about these crazies, when they get out, they get out. The crazies do come out. Don't run with them, baby. You ain't got to. Ow. I see you over here, bro. I see you. You're like, damn, muchacha. Muchacha. Go ahead, bro. What the fuck are you doing? If you're gonna go, go. Hey, baby. Tat, tat, tat it up. What the hell was wrong with that guy? Just pulled up on the bike. took the direction on me, but then went dead stop on the other guy at the light next to me. You can't make this type of stuff up, man. For the guys. The fuck is going on now? All these crazy motherfuckers. Hello, baby. Nice dress, baby. My man over there like, muchacho. Something about this BMW, man. Something about BMW. When this motherfucker bark, she bark. Berlin's got everything for you, man. I met up with a gentleman today, and he was asking me if this was a place where he should consider. And I was like, there's nothing to even consider. If you love New York, you love Berlin. Facts.